Shalom. First and foremost, I give all praises to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Baha, Baraka, Kodash, Shal, Yahweh Shai. No double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone. Salutation to the Achaeans, which they shoot in sincerity. To the four corners of the Arataza. You know, the brother Howard here, back on another lesson. You know, it will be having earthquake in diverse places, you know, and in Puerto Rico, you know, you actually seeing that people sleeping outside because they fear to go inside because at the earthquake they know every house will fall on them. So they actually seeing that prophecy is fulfilling. You understand? The Father actually shaking up this place, this unrighteous place, you know, full of ungodly men, you know, and ungodly women, you know. So hey, brothers taking this video here, and you know, while the video playing, I'll stop and, you know, bring on one or two scriptures.
CBS News has learned most of Puerto Rico could get power back on today after the island's strongest earthquake in more than a century. In the southwestern part of the island, the quake knocked some homes right off their...
Yeah, what you know with these houses on them? You understand? These houses on them leaning. You understand? Half of them capside. You know? You know?
Foundations. This is what it looks like now in the city of Jauco, where more than 1,000 people slept at an outdoor shelter near a local stadium last night.
You know, what's going on? You actually see that people sleeping in a shelter. You understand? Sleeping in a shelter, who crying, who are the fear to go back home in the house. You understand? They actually seeing that you know, they're fighting to get water and fighting to get back electricity back on top. But we know that they even get the aftershock yet, because that is the fear of Hashem Yoshai. I'll bring all this precept here. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. For nation shall arise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and that we're going on right now. We actually seeing that we're popping off in with Iran, you know, and America, you know, Iraq siding with Iran, you know, and telling the American troops to flee from Iraq and all the bases. They can't allow them not high enough for that, you know. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famine, you know, which is to come, and trouble, and that is what's going on up in Puerto Rico. You know, famine could happen because if the after effect come and everything, everybody house out of, you know, everybody else end up flat down to the ground. Where they gonna live? You understand? We're gonna go on and build businesses and people can't work and all these things. You understand? When water polluted and current down, and we're gonna go on, you know. And there shall be famines, and you know, which is the troubles, you know. Can't see your way, can't get things to eat, can't get things to drink. Yes, and can't get help, you know. Plus to a lot of deaths, you know, a lot of casualty, you know. These are the beginnings of sorrows, you know. So we don't see that prophecy fulfilling. You understand? Because when I go back to the video, you can actually seeing people actually telling you that they're afraid to go back in their home.
Last night, our lead national correspondent David Begnaud was there. David, good morning to you. I know the gentleman at the power plant told you they're working 24/7. We didn't see anybody working, so I was wondering, how do they get it on so quickly? Why are they so confident they can do this?
Well, Gail, they got generation from a private plant and another one from a government-owned plant, enough to generate the electricity they need to give power back to 80% of the customers here. And let me tell you something. Social media is lighting up this morning with folks saying, power's back on and my water's back on. But just as soon as it comes on, it goes off. It's unreliable. reality.
You know what you go, you actually hear, you know what's going on. Social media, everybody on social media saying, hey, I get back. Because like that how the world running right now. As soon as you get back internet, you actually posting up everything what going on online and everything that will taking place. So as soon as you get back your current and water, you know, it cut them back off. Like or Esau or the Edomite now say the Edomite man now say he actually saying that it's not reliable, you know. So they had to go they had to go to a resource and seek help. Yeah, so that go to them shelters and seek help, you know.
Families of living here in Puerto Rico. The fact that the earthquakes are still happening is why these folks slept outside yet again, feeling safer on a cot under a tent than in their own homes. Listen, this morning, I want to take you into the beautiful mountains of Jalco, where some families are living in their front yard doing the best that they can.
Yeah, what you know.
Last night was the third night the Gomez family slept outside in a tent. They don't have power or running water.
I tried to call my kids, but it's very difficult.
Mom, Jenny, says she can't stop worrying about another aftershock. She and her husband, Jose, prepare to live outdoors indefinitely.
We got doubts.
Yeah, you actually see that the fear, that is sorrow, the fear to go back in their house, you know, not even to bathe or use the toilet, because they know 1 minute or 1 hour the aftershock, and the aftershock ain't happen as yet, you know, and we know the aftershock has been the worst, you know, but hey, you have to stay out about shame or shy.
I'm sending our kids back to their school, like, because where my kids study is a 100-year building, and it's gonna be tough to get back to the normal.
You know, you actually see the sorrow going on, you know. So hey, all praise to Yahweh Hashem and Shai, you know, because this world, Yahweh Hashem and Shai looking on this earth and saying this earth running unrighteously by the like Job 9 and 24. But the earth is given to the hands of the wicked, so the wicked is running the earth, you know, sucking out the blood out of the earth, which is the oil. You understand? And a lot of innocent blood have been shedded. You understand? And we know, you understand, that Esau, you know, have his devices to create earthquakes and stuff, you know. So hey, you never know is Esau who could be creating these earthquakes and all these things, because you could never tell what Esau really have right now, because they actually see that there are some storm machines and all these things. You understand? But at the end of the day, Yahweh Hashem Yahushai, you know, he created everything, you know. So it don't bound to be Esau, but you know, that is the earth answering back right now, because it just fed up. It just fed up a man, you know, treating it bad, treating earth, you know, cutting down trees, burning down the rainforest, you know, all kind of unjust, you know. So the earth crying out, the earth is answering back by earthquakes, by volcanoes, by all these things.
After all these checks. But
We can.
We met the mayor of Jalco, Angel Torres, at a meeting he had with island officials and FEMA earlier in the day. He walked out of that meeting frustrated.
I'm not feeling good at all. I have to go back to my town to see the face of my people and try to help them, and we need the help from the government.
We live streamed that interview on social media, and I told the mayor we'd check back in with him later. Meanwhile, we were getting messages from people saying, go to the nearby municipality of Peñuelas. There are people in need there. So we did, and we met the mayor, Gregory Gonzalez.
I just want to send a message to our nation, to all Puerto Ricans here in Peñuelas. We need a lot of water.
Based on that, I reached out to the central.
You see what I'm talking about? Salakia. See what I'm talking about? They need a lot of water. So without hot water, what gonna happen? You understand? Farming has to take place. People will be fighting for water and all this stuff. And they call out onto the government, but the government ain't giving them that assistance. You understand? Because why it is given to the hands of the wicked, you know? So who running the governments? Who running all the governments? And mostly, I think in Puerto Rico, a lot of Israelites. You actually see the Israelites on them. You know, the Northern Kingdom. So, hey, brothers, hey, prophecy is fulfilling, hey, shalom, 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 you know, to my former Akiams, you know, from GMS Prophetic Vibration, you know, brothers from the around the four corners of the Arataza, you know, hey, prophecy is fulfilling, boy, and I just want to close with the scripture here. In Luke chapter 21 verse 11. Yeah. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famine and pestilence, and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. And which is great signs from heaven? The chariots were paying, you know, to the four corners of the Arataza. You know, or praise to Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. You know, hey, we get this next scripture one time. You know, this bring out scriptures concerning, you know, the earthquakes are taking place and what's happening, because you're actually seeing a lot of chariot sightings. So we don't know when they're seeing a lot of chariot sightings, you know, in scripture. I won't butcher the scripture, but the father say, you know, that when they see a lot of chariot sightings, I think that the father is ready to visit the earth. Yes, the Alpha and the Omega right to visit the earth. You understand? Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. So I say, Torah Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. This is the book of Matthew chapter 13 verse 3. And he, Salakia 13 verse 13 verse 8. Salakia. Yeah. So Salakia. Matthew verse 24 verse 6. And ye shall hear of war and rumors of war. See that ye be not troubled, for all those things must be to pass, but the end is not yet. And that is, yeah, we see that happening, you know, years now. You know, rumors of war, you know, with North Korea, with Russia, with Iran, and you know, and you actually see it going down to the end, which is with Iran and America right now. Yes, and well, we know that the least and the flux will draw them out. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famine and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So, hey, Akiams. To find
out why water had not been sent. They told us it was on the way, and we later got these photos showing water being loaded into trucks and vehicles. We left there and headed to Joko to check back in with Mayor Torres. When we showed up, he was smiling.
The FEMA people came here just like an hour ago, and they say that they will give us in the few hours some pillows, some blankets, some couches, you see, like this, that we need.
Before we go, we want you to see this. Immaculate Conception Church in Guayaquil.
Hey! All praise to Yahweh, Bashem, Yahushai, Bashem, Rekak, Wadash. So, that's a show you, you know, the whole church will mash down. You understand? and just the altar with with the scriptures, you know, with the Bible, you know, is untouched. It's the altar, because the church, if I do not dwell in temple made with hands, so you actually see that these churches that must get destroyed. So the Father destroying the temples, you know, and what stand? You actually seen that's the altar with the Bible alone stand, because that alone could stand in any disasters, in any plagues. The scriptures, you know.
The statues have fallen. The altars there. The sidewalks.
Yeah, the statues. So
The
that's
gospel book, untouched.
the statues, because them statues, you know, going back to Caesar Borgia, the false image. So the Father will show down that, you know, and the Spirit of Yahweh Shai make that happen. So it will be, you know, it will be for people to see that, hey, the Father destroyed this church, because you don't dwell in temple made with hands.
And on the wall there, you see the crack in it, but the picture of Christ appears to be untouched. And sitting on a pew, the baby Jesus. The church pastor told this young man, Luis, to take it to
Watch
his mother
them.
and ask her to care for it
Watch
until
them.
the church is rebuilt.
Watch them.
When he placed it in his mother's arms, she cradled it like it was her own child and wept.
She only sees that Borgia, she weeping, she crying. Yes, hey, and let's vex that everything did mash up, all these pictures and all these things, but hey, all praise to Yahweh Shemesha, half of the building mash up. We can say majority, you know, 75% of the building mash down, you know. And like in that church, like I have a lot of Caesar Borgia pictures and these false image with this white Jesus, you know. Oh gosh, man. And now she weapon. What you weapon for? Why you didn't come and help her here?
The members of the community who were there and saw that were silent as they watched. Since December 28th, there had been more than 2,000 earthquakes to hit Puerto Rico. 60 of those were actually felt.
All praises.
3 of them happened just today.
All praises.
So,
So, you know, with that, we give all praise to Yahweh, Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bashem, Rakat, Wadash, double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, citation again to the Akios, to the four colors of the Artazar, a prophecies fulfilling, home sweet home, the brother's holy faith, you know, keep on doing your works, and the Father, you know, when the Father visits the earth, you shall see you doing his works, you know, going out in the highways, doing your videos, and being in spirit, loving the brother like you love yourself, and Shalom Akios.